Good morning, gentlemen. I'm just going to do a quick video on how to test a capacitor under load. There's plenty of different reasons why you would do this. Number one, I do it because number one, I don't want to shut off the unit, and number two, I don't feel like disconnecting spades connectors on. Even though it's something small, I still don't want to do that today. So first thing you're going to do, get your amp draw on the start winding. So if you normally have a brown wire and a brown and a white wire, you want to get it off of the solid brown wire. So we have 1.1 amps. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and write that down. 1.1 amp. Alright, now what you're going to do is you're going to get your voltage across both terminals. So one here and one here. Come on, baby. There we go. Alright, so our voltage is, call it 402.2. So we will do 402.2. Alright. So once you have your voltage and your amp draw on your start winding, what you're going to do is you're going to get your calculator and you're going to do 1.1 amps times a constant of 2655. Then you're going to divide by your voltage. Your voltage is 402.2. So we're going to divide by 402.2, and we're going to get 7.26 microfarads. And if you look at that capacitor, it is a 7.5 microfarad capacitor. So 7.26, let's write that down. 7.26. And then most capacitors will have a tolerance. That one says 5%, plus or minus 5%. So, see if I could remember my middle school math. 7.5, we're going to do times 0.05. That'll be our percentage. So 0.375, so we can do 7.5 minus 0.375. So 7.1 is the absolute lowest our capacitor can be while still being good. So that's right there. It says 5% tolerance. People usually do 6% or 10%. I like doing 10%. But, this is definitely under load. If you test that, once the unit's off, you'll probably get a different reading, but I tell you what, for the sake of this video, let's try it. Give me 1 second. Get it off. So now we're going to check using our capacitance feature here. Now we're going to go in here and see if I can get my freaking fingers in there. It's a lot better without spades. Alright, so not under load. Damn it, where am I? Oh, here it is. So standard, you're looking at about 7.3. So you're looking at about 7.3 microfarads. So 7.3. So there you go. That's the formula right there. Your amps multiplied by 2655 divided by your voltage. So that's the numbers we had. We got 7.26, and not under load, just going straight from the capacitor. Straight from the meter. You're looking at 7.3. So there is a difference of 0.04. So there is a difference, and this is only a 7.5 microfarad capacitor. Imagine what happens when you have a 50 microfarad or an 80 microfarad. Test them under load. It's a lot easier, I think, if you test them under load than turning the unit off, taking the spades off. All you need to do is do some simple math. There we go. All you need to do is do some simple math calculations, and you'll get your actual under load capacitor rating, microfarad rating. So, like I said, small difference, but as you keep going higher in microfarads, you might see a wider gap. So I always like to test them under load. So, anyways, just thought I'd do a little quick tech tip. All right, thanks. Later.